The murder of Gross. Here we go.
Blouse.
American Dad.
God damn, I hit him from the side.
You didn't even see it.
Starman.
Sir, it was kind of hard to see the man under all the white makeup. You fool. We're not even sure if he's bald or not.
It's the bald Joker.
We raided it as soon as we learned about
Yes, let's. Can you describe the killer? Yes, he was about 6'4", flaming red hair, skin as white as an abominable.
And a nose redder than and a nose redder than Rudolph's.
We did find some papers.
And he wanted to see if I could see a magic trick, okay? It involved a pencil on a table, and he wanted me to look down at it.
Dr.
Everyone died. The end.
He killed me with a microscope.
He killed me with his big red nose.
Where's the nurse?
Everyone died. The end.
Sorry.
And my face got horribly messed up.
I don't like being
Two-Faced.
Something as simple as
no,
lighting
he's
a damn
four-faced.
cigar. It's just...
And that was the day of the best birthday ever.
The best birthday.
Of course.
Until the clown started pulling out the gun out.
So,
It was the best birthday ever until if it weren't for that meddling clown.
It clearly showed Mr. 47
And the guards eating poisoned donuts.
snapping poor
Scooby-Doo
Dr.
references.
Ortmeyer's neck.
There goes Shaggy, by the way.
47 wanted to build his
Shaggy
own
was just got his neck broken.
More
Rest in
likely,
peace,
he
Casey
wanted to
Kasem.
sell the research to the highest bidder.
I miss you, Shaggy.
Fire under everyone's asses.
Like, sorry,
shouldn't have smoking that weed.
I like how you say the Scooby-Doo reference is a guy wearing a green shirt like Shaggy, getting his neck broken. I would have gotten away with it.
If it weren't for you snapping my neck.
I would have gone away with it too if it weren't for that bald ass.
What? No. Why is Shaggy the villain?
Well, apparently Hitman's supposedly the good guy, and he killed the villain.
No, he's not. He's the. As I was about to make the joke. Do you remember that one Scooby-Doo episode where the villain fought back and viciously maimed Shaggy?
Oh,
Was
boy.
not the same afterwards.
Okay, Mark Kuria Jr. He's an albino clone, hypersensitive, adaptive, determined, focused, and better equipped both physically and mentally than ordinary humans. Should something or somebody try and interfere with the operations he's in charge of, he will retaliate in full force with total disregard to the consequences. He's detached from human suffering, but while not devoted to feelings, he will never let these feelings stand in the way of a perfect executed hit.
Oh man.
Hell yeah.
He's the armed guy. Is that Slippy Turd?
Kermit?
Slippy Turd?
Kermit!
Like
What are you...
Raymond Kulinski is closely connected with Angelina Mason. Their hits are coordinated by a leader placed in a central place overlooking the area where the hit should be performed. He communicates through an intercom, feeding them info on the actions and whereabouts
Hey, just like Slippy, the frog.
of the target. The
That's what I was
the couple constantly feed each other information over the intercom during the operations, often
Holy crap, Star Fox all over again.
often including sexual teasers.
When did Slippy ever sexually tease Fox McCloud?
Why is he
Because
Oh, I know! Oh, Fox, they're behind me!
They have never failed.
Fox, get these guys off me!
And they have never failed a job.
Oh my god.
Star Fox reference, literally.
Preventing
Why is
them
he-
from
wait, why is he
carrying out their
43?
orders can only be done by eliminating them. They are very unstable during operations, meaning the survivor could turn into a volatile and self-destructive killing machine in the event his partner is killed.
Well, yeah,
Why
look at
is he-
that tongue, it's menacing.
Oh,
And why is he
another-
43?
Another one.
Oh,
Angelina
God.
Mason.
Oh, I see. No, that's
Hey,
me.
that's my
Oh, no! Bleep that out.
Angelina was also trained as a sharpshooter and knife thrower. Her mother was killed in a freak accident, and she developed self-hatred and slowly drifted into narcotics, and prostitution. What? Rumor has it she killed a John trying to rape her.
nailing him to the wall of the motel with a crossbow.
Rock rage.
And this is how she found out the
just
skills she
interrupted
learned during
again.
the circus years could be turned into a more profitable bit. Well, sue me, why don't ya?
I will. I will sue you.
Into
I'll
a more
sue you.
profitable business.
I'll sue you in a frog suit. Go ahead, Cloud.
She met Raymond
What the
and
fuck?
she met Raymond, and together they developed a strategy for complicated kills they called the grassy knot, Noil?
The grassy
The
knoll.
grassy knoll.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The knoll
Knoll
scheme.
scheme. Okay.
Oh, and one up.
So
that's not
these are ravens, right?
One up. That's not a frog. That's not a frog suit.
It's a raven.
That's a
I
bird.
I just realized that.
It's a raven.
Yeah. Like the darkening.
You can
Yeah,
go
why
ahead.
would you?
I knew you were gonna say
Oh,
that.
no.
Okay.
I knew you were
One
gonna
up.
say that.
Okay, Derpy, you can read this one now if you want to.
For a second, I thought that
Oh,
said Jimmy.
protect.
I thought that said Jimmy Kimmel for a second.
It's Jimmy Silly.
Jimmy Silly. Jimmy Silly. Jimmy Silly is from Dallas, Texas. His father
Yeehaw.
ran a gas station and general store, and little Jimmy got his first job polishing and sorting eggs for his dad. After graduating from Harvard Business School, he worked his way up in the oil business and soon learned that the only way to take it further was
up
through
the butt.
politics. Yes, but not in here. He's a civil rights advocate, pro-choice spokesperson, and he's strongly in favor of biotech's many advantages, such as genetically modified foods and cloning. The congressional candidate is rubbing elbows, patting babies, and keeping it clean for the press in New Orleans, his new constituency.
And escape the road south of the city.
Escape.
My God.
Select your
Escape
weapons.
from the city.
Mario, you're pretty bad at aiming. Do a shotgun.
Shut up.
just
If I were
kill
you,
like
I'd just. If I were you, I'd just go with the wire and strangle everybody.
That's not gonna work all the time. I need to.
What are
run.
you using, a damn controller? Is that your problem?
No, I'm using a keyboard.
Then why the hell is the auto aim?
Because I click on a mouse to shoot.
Oh,
And you realize it's not really me. This thing shakes around so much, it vibrates so much.
what? Your keyboard or your mouse?
The gun seems to be the gun is vibrating in more places than one.
Oh, so what you're saying is your accuracy is not good.
Yes.
All right.
Dude, that's recoil, man. It's in every game.
Yes. So it's the yes. I forgot what it's called. Recoil.
And it doesn't even look like Hitman has that much. If you want recoil, play Aliens
No,
Colonial
no,
Marines.
no.
I'll give you recoil.
Nope. I'm not. No, I'm not.
Vibrating mouse.
No, I'll leave that to you and Richter. If you guys can suffer.
Oh, he never wants to play it. Alright, so,
Okay,
body armor would be good.
Okay. I already have.
Flak vest?
Yeah, 35 absorbs 35% damage. Lost a new outfit.
That would be only good if you're gonna use your,
So.
shirt. You know, you never switch your suit.
So am I improving this or no? It
I would improve your equipment, not your body armor.
absorbs 50.
Yeah, because you're not using your suit most of the time.
Yes, but this is as much as I can. This is all I can get. This is the missed equipment.
Adrenaline. Go to adrenaline.
I did get
Yes.
it. I did buy adrenaline already.
Okay.
Because you don't ever keep your suit most of the time.
Painkillers. Well, he can keep. Okay, he's got painkillers. All right, my bad.
Okay, let's see. Let me go back to guns. Let me see what I can take. I'm gonna take my pistol and my tactical again.
Yeah, take your pistol and go for accuracy.
Remember, don't whip it out at people.
Okay, let me check.
I whip my gun back and forth. I whip my, or you could do your sniper. Wait, no, I don't know if
Depends on where we're going. If it's gonna be
that last mission would have been good with the sniper because you could snipe a guy from the car.
dual action.
Oh yeah.
I could have bought that.
Too bad you
Oh,
bought
no.
a painkiller. It's all right. Just leave it off for now, okay?
Okay, okay. Going back. I guess that's all. Okay, so I'm sticking with the silver baller, the SMG, and the M4. When did I get that? No, it's shotgun. Or should I take the sniper?
Go with the shotty, man.
Okay, I'm going with my boomstick.
Remember, you're going to
sniping
be in
can
a
be hard.
building.
To
Certain
avoid much
things.
public attention, your non-concealable SP-12 shotgun will be placed in a container at the premises by the agency. Find the exact location by using your map and locate the ICA icon.
No. Shit.
What?
You can't hide it.
Oh, they are
Also,
ravens.
That's what I was trying to say to
Bird
you in the
people.
second. That's what I was trying to say.
You should have bought the body armor then!
I
'Cause you're
did
gonna
buy
make
body
it sound
armor.
messy.
I have body armor.
Alright, then don't switch out of it.
That's what I was trying to tell you the second level. I was trying to tell you I cannot hide a big ass gun like a shotgun, sniper, or machine gun.
Fucking bird people! They're shits!
You know, to tell you the truth, I thought that was a frog
Nah,
Yeah,
they're
you-
the
at
Me
first.
too.
Wait, let me see.
I don't think Raven. Wait, that's the female, right?
That
Yeah,
was-
isn't Mason a bird?
Yeah, Masons
Yeah.
are birds.
See, that's why. That's what they're going for. Because
Okay.
that's their last name.
Remember that. A lot of people are going to be in the crowd. You're not going to get suspicion that way. Take your coin out in the tractor behind that wall, just like you did before, but make sure you are not seen. Yeah.
Drop it like it's hot as soon as you can.
What was that weird noise?
It's me teleporting.
She actually says that.
Oh,
Ah, crap.
Throw it. Keep throwing. You gotta get her attention. Keep dropping them.
Drop it. No, she's not.
Keep. Do it again. Come on. You almost got her. Come on, keep going. Make sure she doesn't see you. Because if she sees you, well, chances are she'll probably just ignore you.
The cop's gone, so.
well, that's
well,
good.
there's still two guys.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
There's still
yeah,
two
but-
guys right there.
Yeah, but the reason they saw me was because of the cop.
Okay, get it over to the dump. Take her walkie-talkie and get her to the dumpster. Or drag her on the wall. There you go. Don't take her to any dumpsters right now. Get her walkie-talkie now.
Okay, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Get that walkie-talkie. Where's the walkie-talkie? Where's the walkie-talkie? Where is that walkie-talkie?
You,
Where
you
she
picked
died.
it up. You picked it up.
Okay.
You picked it up.
I picked up the gun.
Put the gun away before you walk out.
I don't see the walkie-talkie. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. Okay, now what?
Okay, you remember the restaurant? Well, okay, first go find the Redbird man and take him out quickly.
Now what? Should I just click?
Don't talk on that walkie-talkie. Find the Redbird man, and he'll be in the alleyways.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, that's fine. Do you remember what he looks like?
Right up ahead. Right up ahead.
Follow him around. Make sure he does not make it to the club. And sneak up on him, because if he sees you, he's going to either run or yell out to the cops. There you go. There's your chance. Take him out. Be quick about it. He won't stay there.
Okay, got
This
it.
is the point where you need to hide his body and quickly. Because the cops and the Birdmen patrol that place.
Comes right there.
Open lid. Dispose body. There you go. Now just take the briefcase. Don't worry about getting in disguise yet.
Just pick up the briefcase like you dropped it.
Flash.
Okay.
Put the sedative away.
Okay, now you remember that club you went to last time? The one that
Say it
Mike
again
pointed you out to.
1 second, let me save. Okay, there we go.
Okay, now that club you went to that Mike pointed you out to,
Yeah.
the assassin's there. He's waiting. He's trying to figure out where his partner is.
Okay.
So you still have a little bit of time. You need to rush over there.
Okay, I was right. Okay, it was right here.
Yeah.
Okay, you too.
Okay. There's a door that you need a lockpick, so I would recommend taking that guy out and taking his costume and hiding his body. Make sure you aren't spotted either, because there is a citizen that walks the alleyway.
Ah, you know what? This is why I save state. Try it again. Okay, load successful. Try it again.
Yeah.
Right.
Remember, take out the cook. He's a cook. You need to take him out. You don't have to necessarily kill him. You just need to knock him out, put him in the dumpster, and take his suit.
Drag him.
No, don't do it yet. You need to take his suit.
Okay. Okay, come on, drag him. Dispose of him.
Hitman, taking out the trash. Leave the briefcase there. You don't need it at this moment. Head into the restaurant and start going through that building where the assassin will be.
Okay.
Yeah, he's got preps.
Okay, okay.
Let's get in here.
Be careful not to let him spot you. Like I said, we'll shoot at you. He's the assassin.
They will shoot without hesitation.
So start sneaking. You don't need to sneak in here. But as soon as you get into that abandoned building next to this one, which is through the restroom by the way, that's when you need to start sneaking. Okay, head to the restroom where they got a line at the...
It wouldn't work even if I had the bird costume on. Hitman doesn't have legs for it.
And that concerns you, why?
Why are you concerned with Hitman's legs?
Because even if he wore the bird costume, the girl's bird costume, it wouldn't work.
Oh,
He
that,
can't
yeah,
put in... He can't even put on female costumes, dude.
I'm...
Well, of course, he doesn't have a feminine enough build.
How do you know he
No.
can't put on female clothing? He wore a clown
One up,
suit.
you just made it awkward.
He wore a clown suit, which technically has makeup.
So that was a male in the clown costume.
Make sure you look through the doors because he does move around a bit.
Okay, I'm gonna...
No movement. Okay, go ahead.
Wrong button. Sorry, okay, let me see here. Hold on a second, hold on. Let me
Press
check.
E.
You're gonna need to save first.
Yeah, I'm gonna overwrite this.
Yes.
Oh, now I
Okay.
see it. I see how many save states I can use, okay.
Yeah,
Save state over this.
press E. There you go. Oh, E. Press E. There you go. Open door. He's either in the left or right. It's random. There he is. Go get him.
I have to pick the slot first.
Remember, don't let him spot you.
Save state.
You've been spotted. You don't got restart. What are you doing? Alright,
He saved
next
the
time
game
just
before.
take your gun out and just put one in his head. Take your gun out. He's in the room off to the right. Take your gun out.
Oh, a second, hold on.
Yes, he's there.
Yes.
Just
got
take your gun out and put one in his head. I'm gonna see you're gonna hear you. You got a silencer. Apparently you're pretty bad at sneaking. I'm sorry.
Don't say a thing to me. I did not say anything.
Apparently you weren't quiet enough.
I'll turn down my radio.
Okay, hey, where are you going? You gotta go take his costume and walkie-talkie.
That's right. Hold on.
He's got a walkie-talkie and a costume.
Well, I just wanted to take the scenic route.
What am I doing?
No, don't drag the body. No one's gonna go in there.
I could pull off these legs. Okay, where is his...
Now.
Where is his talkie?
Hey.
Ah, crap. Where is it?
Oh, I just saw it. You walked by it.
That's his,
the
that's his desert eagle. I'll take that.
There it is. There it is.
Wait, where?
You got it?
That was his desert eagle. There it is.
Right there, walkie-talkie. Press space. Ah, there we go. Alright. Don't worry about the briefcase. Go to the Birdman's hideout. Don't take your gun out in front of them. I swear, if you do, I will slap you.
Nah.
And I'm usually the one who's violent here. What happened?
You passed the fist, apparently.
Do you know where the last target is?
Yep, I should. Check my map, and I'm heading in the...
Your map? Yeah, your map should tell you.
Okay, here we go. I'm going.
Okay.
Head to the hideout. You have to head to the hideout.
You're getting a little suspicion, but that's okay.
Don't
Everyone's
worry,
suspicious of
don't worry. If the
Black
suspicion
Crow.
is green, it's okay.
If it turns yellow, start walking slowly and turning around. And if it's red, run.
I head this way.
That's the alleyway where you killed the chick.
I bet you liked it.
There it is. The one with the Birdman watching the door. Don't worry about doing. Just walk up there. The Birdman will walk in with you. He'll look around. He'll turn around and exit. The boss will not really acknowledge you. He'll just kind of stand there.
Save the game real quick. Oh, no.
You can save the game real quick if you want to.
Yeah, I recommend it.
Okay, stand there. Don't go anywhere.
Just sit right here. I'm sitting right in front of him. He's like, "What are you doing? Nothing." I'm just saving. I'm just. You can say I'm savoring.
Get in there. Okay, turn around. Turn around. Keep an eye on the yellow bird man. Make sure he exits the room. Okay, now strangle this guy.
Wait.
Take him out with a gun. I don't care.
That door has a close.
I don't care how you do it. Sedate him, poison him, shoot him. I don't care. Now drag his body and hide it.
Into that,
And hurry up, because he comes back in. Now just walk out casually like nothing ever happened. Don't run. Did you close the lid? Did you close the lid to the box?
yeah,
Okay,
it's close.
Get out of there quickly. He's gonna look around. He's gonna notice his boss isn't there, but that's okay. You'll be fine. Now head back to the restaurant where you put down the briefcase and your suit, and you're home free.
Nice.
You remember where it is, right?
Yeah, this is
And don't let yourself.
I killed him here.
Ooh.
Killed her here. So, and I
Yep,
came,
yeah.
and I came out. There should be an alleyway somewhere else in this spot.
Whether you killed the waiter.
Yeah.
I made him
Remember where you
unconscious.
killed the waiter? It's a dead end too.
Nope. Over here. Here. There. It should be. Yeah, there it is. It's right up here.
Okay. Well, you need to head up there. Yeah.
Get my suit, get my case, and then we can close this case.
Yeah. Remember how you did this, because you can make a playthrough with that.
Yeah, if you remember...
Okay, wait a minute. Before you change your suits, look around, because if someone catches you changing clothes, you can get in trouble. Okay, you're home... No. Okay. Yeah, you're home free, pretty much.
I'm the one with the better vision.
Okay, pick up your suitcase and leave. You remember where the exit is, don't you?
Of course I don't.
Are you serious?
It should. I'm kidding. It should say on my map. Right there, exit.
Okay. You can
Nice.
walk, you can run, just don't gun.
Walk, I can run, but I just can't gun. I could just walk through here. You can miss me.
He's an officer, he won't care.
He shot down so many civilians, just kept trying to get one guy.
Alright.
Just don't mess with the bird people, because they're the only ones who will be suspicious of you.
I don't know. I'm suspicious of all these people. They seem to be drunk off their asses.
It's Mardi Gras, what do you expect?
They're drunk off their asses
True.
and their assets. Let's see here.
That's not the exit.
Close. Kind of close.
Mardi Gras! Woo! I just lost my way. There's my way.
There you go.
Nice.
Total kills 4, shots fired 1, shots hit 1, close combat 1, headshot 1, accidents. Well, not one. Bodies found.
There's another funny thing. You know that piano in the alleyway with
I know. I could have dropped that on the lady bird, couldn't
You could have, but it would have been tricky. You would have had to keep throwing coins to get her to go there.
I? Wow, that's just awful.
Yeah, that was a quick little funny thing you could do.
Whoa. I know where.
You shot him, remember?
Who told me to shoot him?
Well, I did, yes.
So I pretty much gotta pay these people to hush hush. Specialist.
You still did good.
Specialist wanted by police. Blood money is involved. Ooh.
Huh.
Ooh, what is that?
Mardi
kiss of
Gras
death.
drinking.
The kiss of death. Bubbles. Eugen.
So those are vampire teeth.
Yeah, they are.
So apparently it's the blood rain.
So now you know how to do this mission.
This video was brought to you by the Powerpuff Girls. Remember, no one can kiss them to death like they can. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna save. Jeez, we already went.
Alright, that's fine.
How many hours did we waste on that one mission alone?
2 hours.
Like, 2
Oh
3 hours.
my gosh.
You
Do
realize?
you seriously want to make that into
you
a video?
realize how many videos I have to handbrake, right?
I don't even want to think about it.
We pretty much got two full videos with 2 successful missions. If you want to call one of them, okay, 1 successful mission, 1 just utter chaos with a clown suit. And then you got this one where we're pretty much flapping around, watching cops gun down people, Hitman push women downstairs, and
Headbutting a woman before death.
and
That was funny.
and practically flapping our giblets while we're dying in front of her.
And then Wicklad has to tell Elwin up how to get through the mission.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, 2 of our yolks have to leave.
And I just couldn't resist changing the conversation's topic to Hitman and his poo.
How many points there are in each level? Okay, we'll click all these points. Now we're done. Okay. Wait, what? What's killing me? No! Oh no, I touched it! No!